Hello everyone, welcome back to Minshas World. I am Minsha. Today I am going to show you a perfect Indian spice cake. It is very simple and easily available. So all of you need to try to make this. So let's go to the preparation. Friends, first we can start our preparation. I take here boiled milk. It's hot and nice. Next we can add 2 cups of sugar. Now we can mix it. Friends, our sugar is totally dissolved. Next we can add half cup of melted ghee. Also we can add melted butter. We can mix it again. Now we can keep it aside. Friends, now I take here a bowl. Now we can add 2 cups of Maida. Now we can add 1 cup of suji or Rawa. Two teaspoons of baking powder. 1½ teaspoon of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of Fennel Seeds. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now we can mix it together. Friends, these spices give generally good taste. Now we can add our milk mixture into it. We can mix it all together. We can see our batter is nice and thick. We can mix it. It smells too good. We can mix it. Now our batter is ready. Friends, first I take here a cake tray. Now we can grease some ghee. We can grease at the same top. Now we can place a butter paper at the bottom of it, of our cake tray. Okay. Now we can mix it again. Now we can pour our batter into it. Now we can garnish with some badam nuts, all like that. This is very simple and easy to make this cake. Preheat the oven at 160 degree for about 15 minutes. Once the oven is hot, place the cake tray into the oven. Bake it 1 hour about 160 degree. The cake looks amazing. Look, it's a lovely, rich golden color. Let's check this cake bakes well. Insert a skew stick or a toothpick. So here we go. There is absolutely delicious Indian spice cake. We can actually store it for 2 or 3 days. If you don't have an oven, you can also make it in a pressure cooker. So do try the recipe and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. You need to subscribe, like, share and just press the bell button. Bye bye. I am Minsha.